GTS. Now, obviously this is not a track car as Porsche intends it, but it is a 911. So it has to handle the racetrack and it has to handle it well. I've already been out in the 4S earlier. This is the two-wheel drive version. And because of the fact that the two-wheel drive version is 50 kilograms lighter, most of it at the front, you can really feel the lack of weight in this car when you're turning in. There's just a sharpness to it which you just don't get in the 4S. That's not to say that I think there will be a very big lap time difference in these cars if you were really pushing it, but they do require slightly different styles. Where the four-wheel drive system lets you gain a little bit on corner exit, you can take a bit more speed into the corner with the 2S that you just can't with the 4S. That said, we're behind an instructor. We're trying to keep things safe because this is a brand new test track here in Italy. There's a new Porsche center. The asphalt is still a bit slippery, a bit dusty, lots of little stones around. So we're trying not to get too close to each other. Listen to that. Sure, it's not quite as musical as the naturally aspirated version, but who is complaining at this point? We're on street tires, Pirelli P0s. Doesn't matter, it just turns. Not like we could keep up with a turbo on the straights. As usual, the instructors have given themselves a much faster car than we are driving. Not like they really want to push things anyway. It really flows actually. I was very surprised to learn that actually this used to be a karting track. But they've made it wider, they've made it longer. It's a very nice piece of road to test the sports car on. Just you turn it in, it just goes. This is a very nice section where actually the 4S is quicker. But then on exit you can keep it pinned in the 2S. This is a late apex, very long corner, just floor it. Down to second gear. We may have 480 horsepower, but that thing has 100 more. Hard on the brakes. The front axle is so good nowadays. The days that you had to wait for the front end to bite are long gone. The 992 was the extra wide track. You can do whatever you want with it. Beautiful. To be honest, one good thing about an instructor is that not only can you enjoy the 911 while you're driving it, you can look at one at the same time. What more do you want? On a nice Monday morning in Italy. Okay, I am done with my talking, so when we pass these guys we can go a little bit quicker if you would like.
Okay.
Yeah, that was great. Thank you so much.
Of course, you're welcome. Nice lap, nice speed. Very good.